Hello friends, welcome to Maths Academy. Today we are going to cover the topic of pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. We have got various words such as he, she, it, I, we, you, this, what, himself, there. These are the different kinds of pronouns. So we are going to cover the kinds of pronouns one by one. Be with me till the last so that you can have a clear idea of the various kinds of pronouns. So we are going to start with the first pronoun, that is personal pronouns. It stands for three persons. So basically there are three kinds of persons. The first person is this person who is speaking, which includes I, me, mine, us and ours. The second person, the person spoken to, that is you or yours. And the last is the third person, the person or thing spoken of, he, she, it, him, her, they, them, theirs. यानी कि फर्स्ट पर्सन तो वो हो गया जो बात कर रहा है, मैं, मेरा, हमारा. सेकंड पर्सन वो जिससे बात की जा रही है, तुम या तुम्हारा. और थर्ड पर्सन वो जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, वो, वह या उन. ये हो गए तीनों पर्सन्स. Now we'll be seeing the position of the personal pronouns with the help of the examples. So pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they are used in the subject position in the sentences, and we have got various sentences. And before I start with the sentences, I have one more point to cover, and that is pronouns me, us, you, him, her, it, them. They are used in the object position in a sentence. So we have got the subject position as well as the object position, and I have little more pronouns which are called the possessive pronouns, which are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. So let us go through them using the example that I have just written out down here. So the first example is they are bathing in the river. Secondly, we went for a walk. It is my pen, or it is a pen. My uncle bought me a shirt. The toy is his. These are the various kinds of personal pronouns. Coming on to the second type of pronoun. The second kind of pronoun that I am going to cover in today's lecture is the relative pronoun. So pronouns like who, whose, whose, whom, which, and that, they are called the relative pronouns when they are used to join the sentences. So I'll just mark the lines. Pronouns like who, whose, whom, which and that. These are the 5 types which come under relative pronoun. They are used to join the sentences. So I have given various examples also here. Example is the man who stole my purse was caught. This is the horse which Prem sold. This is the car that caught fire. Now we'll go through relative pronouns like who and whom. Who and whom, they are used for persons. The relative pronoun which is used for things and animals. The relative pronoun like whose and that are used for person, things. Now I have tried to give up some fill in the blanks for the viewers of this lecture. I hope if this session is clear to you, you will be able to fill it and I'm expecting the answers in the comment section. So just try to work upon these fill in the blanks and give the answers, and in the next video we are going to discuss the rest of the kinds of the pronouns along with the answers of these fill in the blanks. So I'll read out the questions to you. First is, I am doing dash work, you must do dash. Second is, let dash go for a picnic. Third is, that is the color dash suits you. Kindly try to solve these examples so that you will be clear about your base of pronouns, and then you will be able to fill the sentences, and it will be very helpful for the competitive exams in the coming sections. Or we next week are going to discuss the rest of the kinds of the interrogative pronouns and the other pronouns that are being left. Thank you for watching this video.